And what's happening, YouTube? Your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're looking at the Mokwheel Basalt, the world's first all-terrain electric bike with integrated power station technology that allows you to charge your devices whenever you want. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link and it does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. So go ahead and let's check out this Mokwheel Basalt. Here we go. Basically, the bike frame is drawn creatively by Mokwheel's team of designers and brought to life by Mokwheel's team of bike experts. All bikes are built and manufactured by Mokwheel with perfect streamlines and extreme performance. The team tests each bike to ensure everything runs smoothly without defects before it reaches you. These bikes undergo strict performance tests and anti-drop tests before they are shipped to eliminate any shipping issues. Now, whether you are out for a long ride or maybe there's a pretty nasty hill along your normal commute, if you have a bike with pedal assist, you'll finish your ride feeling more energized instead of drained. Going over rough terrains and uphills becomes much easier with the pedal assist feature. The Basalt features a flexible and adaptive hydraulic front fork that helps smooth bumps and improves off-road performance. In addition, the fork has a lockout lever to allow for quick adjustments while riding to stiffen or soften the fork depending on weight and riding style. There's also the thumb throttle. It's very comfortable and safer than half twist throttle, and it can reduce wrist strain and eliminate the fatigue brought by long time riding. The Basalt also uses the Tektro HD E350 hydraulic disc brake, which is characterized by high stability, low reaction force, and high safety factor as an oil brake. Now, compared to wire brakes are kind of prone to aging, corrosion, overuse, or brake fracture. Oil brakes are also safer than wire brakes. Now, the Basalt is also made by durable aluminum alloy material. Excellent shifting performance ensures riders' safety and stable ride. It can be adjusted slightly in multiple places to provide accurate speed change. The Basalt also has a shift finger paddle, and it's semi-hidden for easy operation by the rider. You can easily change the gear size to allow you to choose the intensity of the ride to whatever you want. The pedal as well is on this aluminum crank set. It provides an excellent power transfer with efficiency. It is strong, light, durable, with high axial strength and compatibility. It handles really well as well. The handlebar is ergonomically designed to help reduce the hand and wrist fatigue. The handlebar is made of a softer, grippier leather surface, and with the combination of the silicone that provides extra comfort, making it a great choice for longer rides. It also comes with the headlight in the front, which is really good if you are riding at night. It also comes with the backlight as well. When you press the brakes, it'll turn on. Now, in the back and the front, it comes with a bike rack. You can pretty much add these accessories. The back rack is provided already. It comes with it. The front, I think you have to pay extra. It has a sturdy structure which allows to carry like heavy cargo. You can use it for securing panniers, bags, baskets, and other things that you will use for your commute. It can even carry other people. This has also a powerful 500 watt silent brushless motor, which has a torque of 65 Nm plus, capable of carrying 400 pounds through rough roads and hills smoothly and quickly. It has long performance as well with 48 volts, 19.6 amp hour Samsung battery, which is the most efficient battery. The Mokwheel uses an advanced BMS battery management system to manage and maintain each battery cell intelligently. It prevents overcharging and overdischarging. It also gives extended battery life and monitor battery status. The LED display is also colored, which is really nice to look at. Is backlit and only needs 3 buttons to to control it and toggle the things that you need. It gives you all the information like speed, the power, and how long the trip is and time that you've been using your bike. Now, when I was using this bike, I am about 250 pounds and I'm about 5'9" inches, and I find it fairly comfortable. I do have to tiptoe sometimes, and depends on like the angle of the road, but I'm able to ride it no problem at all. This also goes up to 20 miles per hour, and I think it can do more than that. It's just that it is governed at that speed. It also ranges up to 60 to 80 miles, depending on the terrain and depending if you are using the pedal or not. Another cool feature is you can buy an extra inverter on their website so that you'll be able to charge this whenever you want. It also has a compatibility for solar panels. So for example, you were to ride one way, the maximum mileage for this 80 miles or 60 to 80 miles, and then you were to charge it over time while you are there, you'll be able to use it for another 60 to 80 miles back, which is really good option if you are out and about in off-grid or something like that where there's no plug-ins. You'll be able to charge this through the power station that is sold separately on their website. Now let's go ahead and build this and show you guys how easy it is to build this thing.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
And that's really it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new Mokwheel Basalt. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I do recommend this for people who wants to have a very comfortable ride e-bike and be able to utilize that inverter and have that solar panel with you so you could charge whenever you want. Even off-grid, if you're using this through hills, rough hills, and also even on snow, you'll be able to do that because it's a fat tire as well, which is really nice addition. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more e-bikes reviewed in this channel. Make sure to hit the like button as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.